Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the font, color, and size in Google Docs. I'll be showing you the web version, which works the same way on all platforms. First, click and drag your cursor over the text you want to format. The selected text will be highlighted in blue. Now let's change the font. Click the font drop-down in the toolbar at the top of the document. It's on the left side and shows the current font name, like Arial. A drop-down list of available fonts will appear. The currently applied font will have a tick next to it. Click on whichever font you want from the list. The selected text will immediately change to that new font. Next, let's change the font size. Click the font size drop-down in the toolbar. It's immediately to the right of the font drop-down and shows a number like 11. A drop-down list of preset font sizes will appear. Click on the size you want from the list. The font size will change immediately. Now let's change the text color. Click the text color button in the toolbar. It's to the right of the font size controls and it looks like an A with a colored underline. The underline shows the currently applied text color. A color picker palette will appear with color swatches. Click on the color you want from the palette. The selected text will immediately change to that color. If you don't like any of the available colors, select Custom to get more options including HEX and RGB values. If you also want to add a highlight color behind the text, click the Highlight Color button in the toolbar. It's immediately to the right of the text color button and looks like a highlighter icon. A color picker palette will appear. Click on the color you want. The background behind the selected text will change to that color, just like using a highlighter pen on paper. To remove a highlight, pick None from the drop-down. Here are a few quick tips. If you want to adjust font size without the drop-down, you can use Ctrl-Shift-Period to increase or Ctrl-Shift-Comma to decrease. And remember, if you need more color options than the standard palette offers, the custom option in any color picker gives you full control with HEX codes and RGB sliders. Once you're happy with the formatting, click anywhere in the document to deselect the text and see your final result. Thanks for watching.